It's Love Oladele, your friend. So basically, I want to show you how to use credit wallet to renew your membership. For all those who are saying, I don't have Mastercard, I don't have crypto, you don't need all that to make your payment in. Um, you don't need all that actually. So all you need to do, internal wallet is good, very good. Internal wallet of LiveGood is called credit wallet. So what you need to do is to look for person that have credit wallet. Just put on the group, I want to buy credit wallet, I need credit. So we'll answer you, we'll send to you. So once somebody say, okay, you pay the person, we are using market rate. So like today is 765 or 7,650. If it's 760, 7,600, you pay the person now send you the credit wallet. You to now register yourself to renew your membership yourself using the credit wallet. What you do is this: you go into your account, you click on my earnings, you click on credit wallet. So if the person have sent you money, you see the money in the credit wallet. Okay. Normally you will see select your payment option, transfer. You will see all this before and if you click on my earnings. But this is the new one that is adding the credit wallet. So you click on credit wallet. Oh, no credit wallet. Credit wallet is when you want to sorry. Credit wallet is when you want to so the person okay, yes, you click on credit wallet, okay, yeah, you click on it. So it will show you that you have $10 in your account. So you can see the $10 here. You can see it here. So the person have transferred. So what you need to do is scroll down. What you need to do is now scroll down because now you want to renew your membership. So you scroll down to renew your membership. Okay, you put in your username. You put in your username. Then you click on other products or pay for membership. Okay, so you click on other product after you put your username. You now click on continue. So it will now show you you will now be seeing products. You scroll down, you will now see monthly membership. So you click on it. You now click on this, which is the 9.95. You now click on continue. So it will now ask you that your name that you want to pay. So it's your name. You say yes, I want to pay. So you click on issue credit. So you said okay. So that is done. So that is done. That's how simple it is. So don't be saying apply. I don't get Mastercard. I don't get crypto. So it's as simple as that. Okay, that's it's as simple as ABC. That's what you need. Okay.